Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we're headed back to the Alo Yoga store to try on the faux leather Premier Bomber. Now, with fall easily upon us and winter not but a short jump away, I felt like this was the right time to start looking at some warmer cover-ups. Now, this jacket is $298 and it is a faux leather, and you can definitely tell that it is a faux leather. It does have some kind of granular texture to it, so you can tell that it's trying to get as close to a real leather aesthetic as possible, but I'm not quite sure it nailed it with both the coloring and the sheen. Now, aside from the fabric itself, we do need to talk about the size. This was an extra small, and as you can see, I am absolutely swimming in it. Now, I've had this same issue with a few other Alo Yoga items, such as the Accolade sweats, and while I can get behind the sweats being a little oversized, I just don't understand why this one necessarily has to be this oversized. Overall on this one, the jury is out, so please help me decide. Go ahead and put your comments below of whether you would pick this up or if you would pass. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.